Hello Atomians! I am Sharon Rose Master Darbel Bergado from Ariul 1 Mandaluyong Aja Center. Today, I will share all of my life scenario. Why does life scenario is important? To become successful because of Atomy success system. Everybody can be successful. First, you must have a dream. In order to achieve those dreams, you must write it on your life scenario. So before I met Atomy, I was the facialist in Mall of Asia. Mayroon po akong pangarap noon, pero hindi ko alam kung paano ko ito matutupad. Hanggang sa nakilala ko si Atomy. Na-amaze ako nung una kong umattend ng Success Academy sa Clark, Pampanga. And that day, sobrang dami kong natutunan, especially nung nag-talk si CEO about life scenario. At muli ko sinulat ulit ang mga pangarap ko. And that was April 21, 2017. That moment na nagsusulat ako sa aking life scenario, kulang po ang isang buong papel para sa aking mga pangarap. Kaya naman ngayon, gusto kong i-share sa inyo ang ilan sa mga pinangarap ko noon. First is travel. Noon, once a year lang po ako nakakauwi ng province dahil may trabaho po ako dito sa Manila at sobrang nagbabudget ako that time dahil gusto ko pang makapagpadala ng allowance po for my family and my sister. At pangarap ko lang din po noon na makauwi ako anytime na gusto ko. But because of Atomy, ngayon hindi lang po pag-uwi ng province ang nagawa ko. Pati ang mga magulang ko ay nakapag-travel na din dito sa Manila at sobrang sarap ng feeling na makita ko, especially ang tatay ko na makasakay ng eroplano because of Atomy, umattend siya ng mastership promotion ko sa Batangas year 2019 and sobrang umiyak ako. Feeling ko that time na yan yung pinaka-graduation ko sa buong buhay ko. And hindi lang yon, nabigyan din ng chance na maisama ko ang aking mother na pumunta sa ibang bansa, sa Jeju Island for a mastership promotion at sobrang saya ko dahil hindi ko yun na maibibigay sa mama ko or sa mga magulang ko kundi dahil sa Atomy. And next is my career. Before, nung hindi pa ako full-time sa Atomy, wala akong savings. So hanggang nag-decide ako na gawing full-time si Atomy. And because sobrang nagsipag ako, ginawa ko ang challenge at na-promote ako first as a sales master, dun ko lang naranasan na magkaroon ng ganong halaga sa aking savings account. And sobrang ang saya-saya ko that time dahil lahat ng pagod ko, lahat ng pinaghirapan ko is binigay ni Atomy sa akin. Lahat ng mga pinangarap ko noon na akala ko hindi ko na makakamit. So, thankful talaga ako because of Atomy is nag-change yung buhay ko, lalo na sa pagdating sa savings. So, ngayon po, ako na po ay isa ng Sharon Rose Master at member ng Mahardika Club Leaders. At syempre, before po, pangarap ko lang magkaroon ng center. Hanggang sa nagkaroon na po ako ng branches ng Ariul 1. So, nung na-promote ako ng Sharon Rose Master year 2019, nag-open po kami ng first center from my team, which is Ariul 1 Mandaluyong Aja Center. And next is Ariul 1 Jensan Aja Center. Third is Ariul 1 Pasay, Aja Center, and this pandemic po, nag-open po kami ng Ariul 1 Antipolo Aja Center. So ngayon, here's my life scenario for my future. After this pandemic, I will travel again and visit Korea, Indonesia, and of course, other countries already open, Atomy already open, to continue expanding and sharing Atomy. And by December 2022, my plan is to visit El Nido, Palawan with my family for a vacation. For the donation, I will continue to share my blessings, and by the year 2024, I will build a charity program called Ariul 1 Share the Love for the people that needs help. And of course, in my career in Atomy, by the year 2022, I will be an auto sales master, and I will open a new center global in Indonesia named Ariul 1 Indonesia Aja Center. So to summarize this, I would like to share to you a quote from our chairman: if you plan your life vividly inside your head, your life will unfold that way. Kaya wag po tayong matakot mangarap dahil dito po nakabase ang ating buhay. When you write your life scenario, you will see what you aspire to achieve. So to achieve a goal, we must do action. Because from our CEO, again, no matter how great a choice is, it's nothing if you don't take action. So we need to take action now. Let's dream big, make it happen, and never give up. Because Atomy for me is not only hope, but also the last opportunity for me and my family. Nothing in this world is easy, and Atomy is the same. But if we take Atomy as the last opportunity, then we can become successful. So we need to have a positive mindset that Atomy is the last chance in our life. Atomy is the chance and can change our life. I will share to you this Bible verse, Proverbs 16:3. Commit to the Lord whatever you do, and your plans will succeed. Again, I am Sharon Rose Master, Darbel Bergado from Ariul 1 Mandaluyong Aja Center. Thank you so much for listening. Bye-bye!